Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on How to Block Calls but Not Messages on iPhone. Step 1. Open Settings app. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Next, navigate to Focus. Step 3. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to create a new focus mode, then tap on Custom. Step 4. Give your focus mode a name that reflects its purpose, like No Calls. Step 5. Tap on Add and choose the contacts whose calls you want to silence. You can search for specific contacts or select groups. Step 6. Tap on Add Apps and make sure the Messages app is selected to allow messages. To select any other apps you want silenced during this focus mode. Step 7. Customize additional options like notification silence or set a schedule for automatic activation. Step 8. Finally, tap Done to save your focus mode. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.